As we get to late summer, we're going to start harvesting fresh, homegrown tomatoes. You can't beat them. But if we get an abundance of things like this, we're going to want to preserve them. So we'll need to freeze them for use at a later date, which I will be covering at the end of the season, so everybody can save every single bit of the produce that they've spent so much time growing this year. And once you've got those done, you can save them in your freezer and then use them to make soups, sauces, curries. So what I'm doing today over on the cooking channel is I'm going to take some of last year's produce that we froze, I'm going to defrost it, and I'm going to make some homemade tomato soup. So if you want to see how I do that, I'll leave a link in the description for that channel, and that video will be airing later on today. So once you've got to the stage where you harvest and you freeze, you'll know exactly what to do with everything that you grew last year, and it's going to be in your hands whenever you want it. And the best thing about this soup recipe is virtually everything that you need is going to be right out there in your garden. So check that out, let me know what you think. And while you're over there, I'd appreciate it if you just hit that subscribe button, so that when we get to the end of the season and we all want to do the preservation of all the produce that we've grown, you'll get a notification to let you know when those videos are available. These are frozen tomatoes. So I'm just in the process of defrosting a couple of batches of those, and then we're going to make some homemade tomato soup. So to start off with, we need 1 onion. I've just took this straight from the garden. If you grow your own veg, you've got most of this ingredients for this soup in your garden at the end of the season. So you can make your soup up and you can freeze it. Thanks for watching, you all take care.